Replacing your diesel engine components with what the OEM originally installed shouldn't limit your options. Don't look to the name on the machine, look at the name on the component. Find those components and more at Highway and Heavy Parts. Call, text, or chat 24/7 on highwayandheavyparts.com and get connected with one of our ASE-certified technicians for our industry-leading service and accurate ordering of quality diesel engine components. Whether you're on the road, on the job, or in the fields, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered. Call now to see how we take the risk out of buying diesel engine components. Technical expertise, quality diesel parts, fast shipping. One complete solution, all at your fingertips. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.